It's a form of art. It has been wielded by the greatest of the Jedi and the darkest of the foes. It is a reflection of its builder. It is a direct connection to the Force. And today, we'll start with this. The Kyber Crystal. The Kyber Crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade, blue. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power. Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. Beautiful choice. Don't worry, in a moment, we're going to explore. Builders, in front of you have a chassis. That chassis is going to house your Kyber crystal. Numbers 1 and 2, you have your grips and sleeves. Number 3, you have the emitters. Number 4, you have the socket. Should you need any assistance like little Gathers and I, we'll be here to help you. Now, builders, are we ready to build?
Yes!
Let's build. Alright, so we're going to start with your chassis.
Make sure that
Yes. No.
That looks cool.
I like this one better though.
Yeah.
How are we doing over here?
I think I'm done.
Yeah? Can I take a look?
You sure can.
Alright, very good. Okay, everything seems tight, secure, ready to go. Seems to be discharging just the way it should. Like your emitter, it reminds me of Obi-Wan Kenobi. Very nice. Let's set this down right here. And your activation switch is right there when the time's right.
Perfect.
Can I take your pieces?
You may, yes.
Alright, very good.
Thank you.
Right, Priscilla? No more out. We have way too many candles here. Builders, are we ready? Yes. Please, step forward. Place your hands on your hilt. Activate. Ready?